There are many AI enhancement tools out there, but the truly top tier ones are products like Vmake Labs, which seamlessly integrates with advanced engines like Seedance 2.5, delivering a premium experience for creators. Hey guys, this is Frank. Today, I'm not going to talk about something about the AI or the robotic. I'm going to talk about something about my life. I just come back from China. I went there trying to purchase some parts for my robot project. So I found that China changed a lot in last 20 years. I got a chance to go back to my middle school with my son. So we take a photo over here in the front of the school. My father also went to this school. I tried to show my son what his father looks like when he was this school. But I can't find a very good photo because at that time, very few people have the camera, the film camera. So I finally find one of them. This is only one photo I have during my middle school. I cannot show to my son because it's not very clear to see myself. By the way, this is myself. So I need some tool to restore this one. Finally, I find the Vmake Labs. This tool could help you restore your old family photo very easily. Now let me show you how to do this from very beginning. The Vmake Labs also could do the video improvement. But for my case, let's just focus on the image. So let's click this one, video image enhancer, and upload the file. By default, it will upload the file and do the 4K classic process. Even you don't have any paid plan, you just use the free plan, it could work. But if you want to do the 8K or 60K, you probably need to update your account to the Pro account. So now let's do 8K. Let's click apply. Now it's start process this one. It probably will take about 4 minutes. Okay, it's done. It looks very good. I live in the Sichuan province. It's a basin. It's very humid, so you can see it's getting moldy. Over here, there's some white point over here. I put this under the glass. Okay, now let's take a look at this one. If we enlarge this one, you can see it looks very good. Yeah, it's very good. Let's download this one and compare. Okay, it's here. So you can see the size is about 20 megabytes. It's 80 megabytes. Let's compare them side by side. Wow, you can see how clear it is. It's much more clear. Wow. Yeah, I think I can show my son this photo. Next one, I will show you how to do the batch process. If you have a whole bunch of the photos, so you want to do them just once, you don't want to do them one by one. Let me show you how to do that. Oh, we have some photo over here, so I need to do that together. So I just do this 4. Let's click open. Now it will automatically process that. Went to the college, the first year, I have to go to do the military training. It's very hard, but it's very interesting. Now let's go to the 4K. And it's pretty quick. So let's select all of them and download all of them. Yeah, it looks very good. Yeah, this is how you could batch process the photos. There are some other features I want to show you about the improvements. You could remove the watermark, remove the logo, remove the people. So go here, click this one. Okay, now you can see the watermark get removed. Yeah, this is a very useful tool which could take your old memory back. One thing I really like about the Vmake Labs is how simple the entire workflow is. Whether you are restoring one photo or hundreds of them, everything only takes like 3 clicks. You upload your image and choose the quality, then click apply, then that's it, everything is ready. For people who have large collection of all the family photos, the batch restoration feature is much more practical than editing every image manually. Of course, AI is not magically recover every missed pixel from 20 years ago. Instead, it's intelligently restructuring what the image should look like based on the pattern it has learned. The goal is not to rewrite the history. The goal is simple, just to make the old memory easier to enjoy again. Looking through these photos, which remind me how much life has changed over the past 30 years. From my middle school to my college, and to the day I went to the United States, and I work for some GIS company, and now I start work for the AI product, the robotic stuff. Life is changed, time is flying, and now using the AI to restore the photos that capture these moments. Technology keeps moving forward. Sometimes one of the best use of the AI is not creating something new, but helping us reconnect with our past. If you have some old photo that has been sitting on your computer for a very long time, you want to get some old memory back, I definitely recommend giving Vmake Labs a try. You may be surprised by how much detail AI can get everything back. If you guys interested with this tool, you can try with the link in my video description. I think that's pretty much all for this video. Okay, see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye.